Hey, here we are again, 360 Catering Events YouTube channel. It's Chef Cody Hickman. It's National Popcorn Day. So, of course, we have some popcorn, some plain Jane popcorn. We're going to do a little caramelized, spicy popcorn. So first we're going to start out with a little butter. We're going to get our butter caramelized. Turn that down just a little bit. Get our brown sugar in here. Corn syrup. A little more butter. I'm going to use a wooden spoon so it doesn't stick on there. Works a little bit better as a mixing tool when you're caramelizing brown sugar and butter. And now we're going to add just a little pinch of salt. Do a little saltiness. And my spiciness, a little chipotle powder. It's not really too spicy. What it's going to do is actually give a nice little heat in the back of your throat when you taste the popcorn. So what we're going to do is get that all nice and melted. And once it gets all melted, you got to keep stirring it, and you want to bring it to a boil. Add a little more of this cornstarch in that doesn't get in there. I like to add in a little bit of stages so it doesn't get stuck on the bottom of the pan. And we're going to let that go for about 4 minutes, boiling for about 4 minutes. Keep an eye on it, keep stirring. You don't want to get stuck on the bottom of the pan.
Go.
Okay, guys, we got our caramel ready. We'll bring it over here. Let me get one of my hot pads so I don't burn myself. We're going to add in our baking soda. And our vanilla extract. You gotta make sure you take it off the heat. Now we're gonna pour it into our popcorn. I'm only gonna do a little at a time. Start mixing it all up. It's okay if some try to escape or not. So I pour it on the popcorn that hasn't been any on it yet. Now you see it's starting to get really coated, and as it gets coated, it's going to harden up a little bit too. That's okay because we're going to be putting it in the oven at 250 degrees. And we're going to put it in there for about an hour. But every 15 minutes you're going to pull it out and stir it. And that'll help also get all the caramelization all over the different pieces. So we're about ready to put it in the oven. So we'll see you a little bit with the finished product. Okay, so now that we have our caramelization all around our popcorn and got all the kernels taken care of, we transferred this into another pan that we pan sprayed and then put parchment paper or wax paper, whichever you have handy. That way when we take this out, it's just going to pop straight out. Let's go ahead and put it in the oven now. Hey guys, so here we are back with our finished product on our caramel popcorn on National Popcorn Day. It's just like when you're growing up and you got that Cracker Jack box. Sorry there's no prize at the bottom, but hey, we're having fun here at 360 Catering Events. We have our recipe on our website, so if we can ever help you, please let us know. Until then, enjoy.